Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. This is another phone from Nokia I just recently have my hands on. The first one was the Nokia X100 through Metro and T-Mobile, and I failed to do the hard reset, and it seems to me this is continue with the same problem, and this is the only company that doesn't give you access to the bootloader menu. I know there is so many ways around, but people they don't want to go through these complications. People don't know much about phones. They need to unlock the bootloader menu. It's going to be a lot of work, and it's not worth it in my opinion. But I don't understand why Nokia makes it so difficult for us to perform hard resets, since many people, they might get locked with pattern, password, fingerprint for whatever reason, and they need to do the hard reset from the bootloader menu. Now, to make the long story short, I have contacted Nokia and the carriers, and all of them not getting anywhere. They give me instruction, but that doesn't work. And if you guys have the same problem that I have here, please leave your opinion in the comment below and help me out. I need to know how you do the hard reset. So many people suggest on the internet to turn the phone off. So let me go ahead and shut this off completely. I want to walk you through the steps. Also, I want to show you that anything you guys like trying to do, it's not gonna work. Now they're saying some of them, they even mention like power and volume up together, and that actually keep restarting the phone. That's not gonna do anything. But what you can do, volume down and power. When you see the Android logo, just release both fingers. So let's go ahead and do this. Release. There we go. So we got something right there. Now it says here, press volume key to select and press power to select. So we need to select volume up or volume down. So here what we get. Start means the phone's just gonna go to operating system. It won't do anything. And if you go to restart to bootloader menu, it's gonna restart and take you back here. So let me show you. Press power and wait. Here we go, we're here again. And the third option, power off the device. And none of these will help you to perform the hard reset. And the touch doesn't function, the other key here doesn't respond. There's nothing you can do. So unfortunately, if you purchase this Nokia phone and you get locked with password pattern, pretty much there's nothing you can do. I would check the place where I got the phone from, or the company Nokia, and send the phone back to them and maybe replace the phone or fix this issue. Till the time I get any updates, I will upload more videos. Just want to let you know that I have tried everything. If you believe that you know something I didn't do, please leave this in the comment below. I need to get some feedback from you guys, and I hope someone can respond to us and show us how you do the factory reset through the bootloader menu for the Nokia G300 or some other Nokia phones, and I believe they do the same problems. That was very much it. I wish you guys enjoy. Find this video helpful. If it did, please thumbs up, subscribe for more videos here on Variety Stick. We'll talk to you in the next video when I find out how to do the hard reset for the Nokia.